Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by NYX, the Face Glue Gripping Primer. Makeup stuck like glue with no sticky feel with NYX Professional Makeup's the Face Glue Gripping Primer, foundation glued, powder glued. This face gripping primer gives you all of the glue and none of the sticky feel for makeup that lasts up to 24 hours. No skin thirst here. This glue grips and drenches skin with up to 24 hours of hydration. This non-comedogenic gripping primer feels comfy on the skin, breathable all day, and gives a soft focus finish. Glue it to me. Key features: up to 24-hour wear. Formulated with polyglutamic acid and maple syrup. Natural finish. Non-comedogenic. The Face Glue Gripping Primer has got you covered, with up to 24 hours of wear and hydration. Feels comfy on the skin and blends seamlessly with no white cast. Benefits: up to 2 for hydrating wear. Contains polyglutamic acid for hydration and maple syrup for extreme grip. Non-comedogenic. Transparent, lightweight formula with no white cast. Breathable, comfy all-day wear with soft focus finish. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.